Friends, I come up with another video regarding the question answering of electrical machines regarding transformer. Some of the questions can be asked from at the time of recruitment. Say, number one, is it possible to change three-phase to two-phase or vice versa with standard transformer? Yes, it is possible. Say, we know that there is a transformer is there that is called Scott transformer or three-phase to two-phase conversion transformer or vice versa, by which you can convert three-phase to two-phase. And in practical implementation, like 400 volt three-phase to 240 volt two-phase possible, 240 volt three-phase to 480 volt two-phase is also possible. Again, 240 volt three-phase to 240 volt two-phase is also possible. And there is some kind of turns ratio will be there that you have to maintain. Next question, say, sir, how the transformer work? So basically a transformer works on the magnetic induction principle. It has no moving part and is a completely static solid state device which ensures under normal operating conditions a long and trouble-free life. It consists in its simplest form of two or more coils is insulated where wound on a laminated steel core. When voltage is introduced into the coil called the primary, it magnetizes the iron core. A voltage is induced in the other coil called the secondary or output coil, and the change of voltage, that is called voltage ratio between the primary and secondary, depends on the turns ratio of the two coils. Thank you. And basically when the flux is induced in the core, there is a flux change will be there due to it is alternating in nature, and due to the flux cut by the flux coils, the voltage is induced at the coil side, so you will get some voltage at the secondary and power will transfer from the primary to secondary side. Another good question is there, can transformer be operated at voltage other than nameplate voltages? Now what will be the answer? You can say that in some cases the transformers can be operated at voltages below the nameplate rated voltage. In no case should a transformer be operated at a voltage in excess of its nameplate rating unless taps are provided for this purpose. When operating below the rated voltage, the kVA capacity is reduced correspondingly. For example, if a 480 volt primary transformers with a 240 volt secondary is operated at 240 volts, the secondary voltage is reduced to 120 volts, and if the transformer were originally rated at 10 kilovolt ampere, the reduced rating would be 5 kilovolt ampere or in direct proportion to the applied voltage. Another question is there, say, can 50 Hz transformer be operated at 60 Hz and vice versa? Now, especially whenever you are going for the circuit concern, a circuit, in all over the circuit the frequency should be same. That is one agenda. In another case, say a 50 Hz transformer rated below say 1 kilovolt ampere can be utilized on 60 Hz service. When it's 50 Hz transformer, the design is 50 Hz transformer, it can rated below 1 kVA can be utilized on 60 Hz service. However, a transformer of 1 kilovolt ampere and larger rated at 60 Hz, you cannot apply or you should not be used on 50 Hz service due to higher losses and resultant heat rise. Another question can be asked that can transformer be used in parallel? Yes, there are some conditions are there. What are the conditions? Say the single phase transformer can be used in parallel only when their impedances and voltages are equal. If unequal voltages are used in circulating currents exist in the closed network between the two transformers, which will cause excess heating and result in shorter life of the transformers. That is the main reason. Another question they can ask that what is meant by regulation in a transformer? You can say that voltage regulation in transformer is the difference between the no load voltage and full load voltage. This is usually expressed in terms of percentage. For example, a transformer delivers 100 volts at no load and the voltage drops to 95 volts at full load. The regulation would be 5%. That means the difference by the 100 into 100, so it is 5% only. Our dry type distribution transformers generally have the regulation of 2% to 4%, depending on the size of the application for which they are used.